The release of ChatGPT into the world in 2022 changed people's idea of what a language model could do. Suddenly, people were seriously considering the possibility of using one of these systems in place of a human in various interpersonal contexts. Some of the use cases I've seen or heard proposed in the intervening couple of years have included tutors, coaches, assistants, and even psychotherapists. Given my own background as a research scientist in the field of psychology, I am interested in that final use case in particular. Is it possible that in the near future, we will have AI psychotherapists that are able to genuinely help their clients? Are there ways in which such an artificial therapist could be even better suited to the task than a trained human psychotherapist? On the whole, I'm quite ambivalent about the possibility of an AI psychotherapist. I have a strong techno-optimism, which at the same time is met by a realization of all the ways in which the promises of technology so often fall short or is harmfully applied. The truth, though, is that companies ranging from small startups to more established corporations are interested in developing AI systems that people interact with on increasingly interpersonal levels. If this technology is coming, then it is important to try engaging with what exactly such systems would and should look like if they are to be genuinely beneficial to society. There is reason to be both hopeful for the possibilities and worried about the implications. The arguments I provide below are by no means exhaustive of either side of the debate, but I believe that they serve at least to begin to sketch out the territory of the discussion. Scene script. I want to first be clear about what I have in mind. Rather than the relatively sterile chat interfaces, which people are familiar with today in products like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, a hypothetical AI therapist would almost certainly communicate using a highly fluent and responsive verbal language. It would also likely be represented visually by a virtual avatar and have access to a real-time stream of the client's audio and video. In this way, there would be relatively frictionless communication equivalent to what is possible today on Zoom and other telehealth platforms when talking with other people. It seems clear from the current progress in this area, such as OpenAI's Sora model, along with the rapid development trajectory that we are on, that this will likely be possible by the end of the decade to have AI agents which we communicate with as if they were simply another person on a video call. In conclusion, our world may be so different that the concept of psychotherapy as we understand it today is radically altered. Putting more far-reaching speculation aside, we stand today on the precipice of a world in which LLMs are increasingly integrated into our interpersonal lives. In this new reality, the prospect of AI therapists offers both appealing possibilities and sobering risks. By thoughtfully harnessing the strengths of human and machine, we may yet chart a path toward a world where technology and humans work hand in hand to help heal our psyches. But only if we let our values, not just our capabilities, guide us forward.